Good afternoon, people. Welcome to another bright sunny day. So it has been almost 8 months and I'm about to sign off. So only 2 days are remaining. We are in Arabian Sea and I will be signing off from Fujairah. Same like last time, I also signed off from Fujairah. Now also Fujairah. So we came all the way from Java Sea to Indian Ocean, south of Sri Lanka, and then to Arabian Sea. Currently we are in Arabian Sea and we are approaching towards Fujairah. So I'll be signing off here at the Fujairah anchorage. So till here we have somewhere around 2 days remaining, so 2 days on board more. So you must be thinking why I have not signed off yet. Actually I was supposed to sign off in dry dock, but due to some problems I was not able to sign off because other crew was signing off, most of the deck department was signing off, and everybody cannot sign off together, so I had to stay there. So from dry dock we departed on 2nd and I will be reaching to Fujairah on 20th. So I'll be signing off there. I am signing off alone and without reliever. So let's see what happens. This is my first time experience of signing off alone. So let's see. I have received the tickets and these are my tickets, international flight and one domestic flight. So let's wait, 2 days are left. I'll start the packing now and complete my handing over and everything, and that's it. On 20th, that will be the last day on board, and I'll do my morning watch 8 to 12 and then finish it off. After that, boat to airport, immigration and many things. We will cover it when we go there. Let's see. It's time to sign off. I have completed 230 days on board without any accidents, incidents. I was healthy and everything was smooth enough to complete 230 days. So this is quite a lot, 230 days on board. Actually I was supposed to sign off after 180 days, but due to some issues I was not able to sign off and my sign off got delayed. But nevertheless I am signing off after a few days and I have got the tickets. I have changed the itinerary a bit. I have requested company to send me home via Hyderabad. So I have a friend in Hyderabad. I'll stay in Hyderabad for 1 day. I will explore the place and eat something. That place is famous for biryani, so I will have biryani there and I will go to my home after that. So this is the plan right now. I'm still on board. We are sailing towards Fujairah. I'll be signing off from Fujairah. From Fujairah I have to go to immigrations, check all the documentation and their formalities, go to Dubai airport. The drive is long. I have to go to Dubai airport. From Dubai airport I have to go to Hyderabad. From Hyderabad I'll go to Dehradun. So after that I will be relaxed at home, and I am also planning to finish this series when I reach home. So when I got a call for ship, I plan to make a full documentary from the day I start packing my bags till the day I reach at home. The full contract from home to home. So this was my plan, and I think I have mostly succeeded in executing that plan. So this was my whole plan before I joined this vessel. So more or less I have covered many things. I wanted to cover more, but due to some time management it was not successful, but nevertheless I have covered many things. I will be editing the videos and I will keep on uploading. As you are watching this video, this is about the end of this series, and some of the vlogs will be after this video, but let's see. The experience here on this ship was very nice. I also did some navigational duties as well. of second officer, so next promotion is also due for me as second officer. So let's see if I am able to get the promotion in my next contract. Let's see what happens. For this contract, this was my third contract as third mate, so I have almost 24 months experience as third mate, and I have also prepared for second mate in this contract. Let's see what happens next. So this is the thing. Some things are planned at home. I'll go to home, I will finish the series, and I will continue with my personal things. So let's see what happens, and we will start with packing now. We have 2 days to sign off, and I am starting my packing now. I have to start the time lapse and then start packing. Some of the packing is done. Now I am taking some rest. After that I will continue after my watch. This is the progress right now, and this is my stuff here and there. I will pack it today after my watch and tomorrow again. So packing will be in parts, not together. This is my last day on board, and I am arranging all the things. Now I am going to my changing locker to throw the garbage and clear my changing locker. So I've already started now, but I came to my cabin to take my GoPro. So I'll continue. So I've taken my stuff from the changing locker. This is my changing locker. I've already cleared it, and then I'll be arranging this. Cleared my changing locker. I was packing my bag also. I was clearing my cabin, so lots of things to take out, all the garbage and all. So I'll continue with my packing. Most of the things for signing off I have completed. Only the documents I have to take from captain either today evening or tomorrow morning. That we'll see when captain gives me the documents. Tickets I've already got, and waiting for tomorrow, guys. Just finalizing my handing over notes, and then I will take a printout, sign, and I'll give it to the third officer. He's still on board, so I am signing off without reliever. So at least I'll complete the paperwork. I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't